5 TP smack, and I'm leaving a runner. I'm putting my stop at a break even. So I just ended up closing my full take profit, 552 on the day. But yeah, so this has been my first profitable year. I'm truly grateful. So I just want to talk a little bit about how this trading month has been for me. So yeah, the point where my trading changed. What's up with y'all boys, man? Welcome back to another video. This video is going to be a little bit different. This video is more of a vlog type video, a more of a day in the life of me as a day trader. It's 8 a.m. right now. I have an appointment at 8:45. Market opens at 9:30. So I'm gonna go to my appointment. I'm gonna get ready, go to my appointment, and then come back at the crib. See if I can find a trade today. But yeah, I'm not forcing any setups. I have had a great week so far, so I'm just gonna see if I can add more profits onto it. I'm not going to force any setups. I'm gonna catch y'all boys. Yeah, so I just got done with my appointment. It's 9:28. Market opens in 2 minutes. I'm rushing home right now. I'm not really gonna trade until 10 a.m. That's my macro time. But yeah, I'm gonna go home, see if I find a trade. If I find a trade, I'm gonna take a trade. If I don't find a trade, I'm not gonna take a trade. I'm gonna catch y'all boys. If I do catch a trade, I'm gonna let y'all know. Y'all gonna see in the next clip. So we back at the crib. I'm trying to see if I can find a setup. It's around my micro time. I'm not gonna force any trades, but I like longs. So this is basically what I'm looking at. We swept sell side. We have a SMT, and we are ranging in a daily fair value gap. So I like longs to take out this buy side right here. I'm going to keep you updated if I find a trade. I am recording live also. So yeah, we're going to see what happens. So right now I'm in a trade on my 2 accounts. My live. Come on, smack that TP, boy. Smack that TP, boy. Come on. Come on. A little bit more. Just a little bit more. I'm up 514, 5 TP smack. And I'm leaving a runner. I'm putting my stop at a break even. So I just ended up closing my full take profit, 552 on the day. 552 on the day. And on my top step, I have 504, so that's a $1,000 day. Man, I'm super grateful. I thank the Lord, my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, for giving me this opportunity to really change my life with this skill. Yeah, so man, I'm about to go hit the gym. I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. I'm gonna probably gonna add some little clips of me working out and shit. Yeah, so after the gym, I'm going to come and give a breakdown on the trade that I took today. Yeah, so I'm gonna catch y'all boys when I get to the gym. You know, I'm gonna get that good workout in, you feel me? I do this almost every day. This whole week I've been slacking in the gym because I've been working, but now I'm finally back. Not skipping no days. Gotta get my meal prepping on point, you know what I mean? This is, bro, whole 2025 starting now. 2025, bro, I'm locked the fuck in, you know what I mean, with my gym, diet, trading, YouTube, everything. I'm locked the fuck in. And yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all boys when I get to the gym. So I just want to talk a little bit about how this trading month has been for me. This is my first ever vlog. I don't usually do this. I'm getting kind of comfortable. Yeah, just for me, if the quality is not really to your liking, bear with me. I'm gonna upgrade as time goes on, but this is my first ever time vlogging. I never did this before. This is kind of awkward talking to a camera, but yeah, I just gotta get used to it, man. You know, it's crazy. Think about, like, back in the day, if you told somebody Like if you went back in time and told them, oh yeah, we talking in the phones, we recording internet and shit, bro, they're gonna look at you like you're crazy. But look at us now, man. Anyway, man, yeah, so a little about myself. I'm 20 years old. I dropped out of college to day trade. Honestly, one of the best things I ever did with my time. I invested in myself, and I just want to thank God, because if it was not for God, I would have never found my path in trading. I was introduced at 18, but I never really took it serious until I was 19. So 19, I was trading, learning how to trade. It's been 2 years that I've been learning how to trade, but actively forward testing, I started in February. So it's been like 10 months forward testing, and this whole year has been my first ever profitable year. Yeah, I'm super grateful, because 2025, I'm going to, bro, you don't understand, 2025, I'm working my butt off, bro, because the life that I want, bro, the life that I want, I need to work harder. So I just want to talk about how it's been, and I want to give y'all, and I want to tell y'all the point where my trading changed. So when I started trading, I was trading prop firms. I didn't trade my live account. I bought a Top Step account, was trading that. It helped me with my risk management, my psychology, and my risk tolerance, right? So but the thing about it, it was too emotional for me. It was like a milestone for me, to the point that I gave it too much emotions, which ended up making me over risk, over leverage, because I wanted to be funded so bad, to the point that I lost the accounts. I lost like 11 funding accounts, 11 plus probably. Yeah, I lost like $1,000 in fundings, but I made it all back. But we're not gonna talk about it. So yeah, I think I kept failing. I was getting close, but I kept failing, getting close, kept failing. Journaling was a huge help, because when I failed, I would go back and read and understood why I failed, and I understood that I kept making the same mistakes. I changed up my strategy when it comes to trading. It worked out because of journaling, one. And number two, I took a break from Top Step because I kept failing. I took a month break. I added $1,000 to my live account. It was in October. I lost that $1,000 because of the October price action. It was horrible. But the thing about it is, I was able to lose my hard-earned money, to the point that it made a switch in my head, to the point that, okay, I lost real money, to the point that funded accounts should not mean anything to me, because it's fake money. So the thing about October, I had a great risk management. Even though I lost the whole month, I still had great risk management. I was disciplined. I was taking one setup per day. Very disciplined, because when it came to my real money, I was more disciplined, because I didn't want to lose it, you know what I mean, because I worked hard for that money. After that, I went back to Top Step, passed their account in 3 days, because I didn't give a fuck anymore. I honestly didn't give a fuck, because it was fake money. Like, it wasn't real. Unless you get that payout, nothing is real when it comes to prop firm. So that's the switch in me, where I lost my actual money, to the point that I stopped giving a fuck. And the last thing that really helped me was leaving the 1 minute time frame alone. I completely stopped using 1 minute time frame, because I found that with my strategy, the 3 minute and the 5 minute was a huge part in me winning trades. So when I took away the 1 minute, because the 1 minute gives you a whole lot of entries, but that doesn't mean that they're going to be right. But the 3 minute and the 5 minute is more clear to me personally. The trade that I won today was the 3 minute and 5 minute. So yeah, one, journaling was a huge part. Two was actually going live and losing real money, my real hard-earned money. And then three, focusing on the higher time frames. But yeah, so this has been my first profitable year. I am truly grateful. This is December 2024, January 2025, the whole year I'm going to kill it. Yeah, I just want to really tell you, like, if you're trading and you're feeling like you want to quit, bro, please do not quit, bro. Because understand me, bro, the more that you put in the time, the more that you're going to get out as time goes on. First year, two, you're not gonna make any money. Matter of fact, you're gonna lose money the first year or two. But guess what? Once that flicks in you to the point that, boom, you know what you're doing, bro, I guarantee you're going to make a whole lot of money. You're gonna make way more money than you ever lost. But you have to go through the hard struggles. You have to persevere. You have to be very passionate about this. That's the only way you're gonna stick through it. Do not quit. Do not give up. Next week is Christmas week. I'm not trading. I'm more than satisfied with the profits that I made this week. I'm super grateful, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for me. And like I said, I'm super grateful. I thank God for everything that he has done in my life, because it has been ways that I'm seeing now. Like in the past, in the moment, I was not aware, but now I'm very aware that there's a lot of things that was put into place with my journey, to the point that, okay, I had no control over it. So now I know that God had his hand in my journey. I'm in a lot of groups, a lot of Telegram groups and Discord groups, and a lot of people are telling me that I am seeing results very fast in my trading career. And I think one of the reasons why is because I dropped out of college. Like, I really don't have no plan B. It's either trading or nothing. So I was able to put more time into trading, able to put more time in the charts and really understand. A lot of people have plan B, school, so they not really concentrated on trading. But me personally, bro, I have nothing else. I work a 9 to 5 and I trade. Literally it, bro. And now my trading has been taken off, and I'm super grateful. It's just gonna keep getting better, because I'm getting more confidence, and I'm getting more disciplined. I know exactly what I'm looking for now, and it's just a matter of time. Price action has been looking phenomenal. December, I did not think we was gonna have this great price action, but we have had great price action. November and December, these 2 months are life-changing months for me, because these are the 2 months that I have been super profitable. October was the worst month in my career, but then I was able to persevere, and I was able to keep going, keep working hard. Yeah, man, that's really it for this segment. Going to catch out boys when I go to the gym. I know I keep saying that, but yeah, I'm gonna catch out boys when I get there. Yeah, so my camera ended up dying in there. I didn't really record as much as I really wanted to, but hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. That's gonna be it. If y'all fuck with this video, comment down below, let me know if y'all want more. With that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next one. What's up with y'all? So in this section of the video, I'm going to be going over the trade that I took today. It was a very simple trade. So we start with the high time frame. You want to always start with your external model. So in the daily time frame, you can see that we have a higher time frame SMT, because ES took these lows and NASDAQ never came and swept those lows. And then you could also see that we're ranging in a daily fair value gap. Two of my important confluences are being set. And we could also, if we want to go out even farther, we could see that we are in a weekly fair value gap that we're respecting. Now that we have our external model, now what we want to do is to align time but price. But what I want to see is a setup at 9:50 or at 10 a.m. In this case, I had my entry at 10 a.m. And then also another confluence, so you could also see all these low resistance liquidity that price wants to come and take out. So now we had this manipulation towards downside at 9:50. So I thought we was going to start displacing down, but I did not like shorts. So I waited a little bit longer, and then I seen price, okay, had a change to delivery in the 3-minute, and then we could see that 3-minute fair value gap, And then if we zoom out, we can see that price also made a 5 minute fair value gap. That price retraced into. I got into this trade right here, the break of that candle. I was in 4 contracts. I was able to execute this trade on my live account and also on my Top Step X account. I was able to execute this trade on my live account, risking 4 contracts. Stop loss at 30 points, 70 points my take profit. Same with my Top Step X. 500 on this account and 500 on my Top Step X, which made it a $1,000 day.